Hey there, Amazon shoppers. It's Amy with 911 Studios, and today I just want to give a huge shout out to my favorite bikini top. You guys, this is a game changer. I have this in 3 different colors. It's from the Body Glove. I've been buying swimsuits from them for years. They're some of my favorites just for holding up over time. You can tell a quality swimsuit, in my opinion, based on how quickly like the bottoms get that fray on it from, maybe sitting on concrete at the pool or doing whatever. I have a Body Glove swimsuit bottoms that I bought 10 years ago and they still look brand new. This top though is such a game changer, especially if you are a woman with a larger chest. Sometimes bikinis can be almost impossible to feel like you can find one that fits and is flattering, but maybe doesn't look totally vulgar, and one that is supportive but is comfortable too. This is absolutely all of that. This is something that you can wear for water sports and you don't have to worry about, your bikini top flying off or falling out. It's gonna provide you a lot of support, but also be really comfortable. It feels like wearing a sports bra, but it looks still super cute, super feminine, super flattering. It does come with the little soft cup things on the inside. I easily just took those out. I don't like them, but if you do like them, they're in there for you. The back is adjustable. It looks pretty cool. It goes down and kind of across and has the tie. So it looks cute, but also it provides a lot of support. And I think having that string that goes straight across the back just adds a little more comfort and support if you are more top heavy than just having 2 single straps. So it's just a really comfortable, supportive swimsuit top that you can be comfortable playing out in the sun, water, having fun all day. And it looks great, holds up, crazy comfortable, really adjustable. So it's gonna fit regardless of the back part, fits regardless of your size. It just is a great swimsuit top. Like I said, I have it in 3 different colors, so it's part of their Smoothies collection, so you can check out and kind of mix and match the bottoms and the tops with different styles for different occasions. But this is a great top. You guys definitely check out everything from the Body Glove. They are awesome. I can't say enough good things. Go ahead and put them in your cart. You'll be so glad you did.